Hey, what is up YouTube? Steven Sparks here, and I'm going to be doing a review video of a new keyboard by Logitech. Here I have I don't know if it's new or not, but it's new to me. It's a nice Logitech wireless keyboard. Runs off of 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Very thin, very nice. It's not too heavy, it's very short, so it's a lot better. See if I can grab another keyboard to compare it to. Here's my old USB one that I really hate. So as you can see, it's a lot shorter than a normal keyboard. It's also, I would say, it would be thinner. I really don't care if I drop this one. So here's like a normal keyboard, and here's this one. It also feels a lot nicer, especially with like these keys, very hard to press. So I can't really press too much on this one, but this is really nice for typing. It's very easy to press. It's more like a laptop keyboard than a standard traditional desktop one like this. I hate these kind where they have the really raised keys, because for me it makes it really difficult to press. So moving back onto here, it has pretty much everything that you'd normally find on a keyboard. It also has an on-off power switch. I don't know why you'd want to turn it off. It says it lasts 3 years with 2 AA batteries in it, but in my experience, it lasts normally around a year before you even replace 2 AA batteries, which is amazing. It also has, I didn't even realize it had it, but it has a play, pause, backtrack, and forward track for music playback. It has the music, or your sound mute, your volume down, your volume up. It also has a numpad built in, which is quite amazing because I need a numpad regardless. So it has all the directionals, and it has a numpad built in. It's pretty much a full keyboard. I don't really know what's really missing besides maybe one button for the sleep. I really don't care about that. It doesn't have any indicators like a caps lock or a num lock, but it's not too big of a deal, especially not for me. This keyboard can be bought for around $20 at Best Buy, which is an amazing deal. Let me flip this over, that way I don't accidentally press any keys. So bear with me for a second. Okay, so here's the back side. And I'm going to try to get this, well, I can't do it with one hand, so bear with me again. Here we go. So here's the battery compartment. And also the really cool thing, the best feature I would have to say about this keyboard, moving on over, there's the new flat screen monitor. It's a 21.5 inch 1080p LG. So moving over to here, there is the adapter. Try to get the same focus. It's a very tiny little dongle. Plugs right in, be out of your way. It's exactly the size of this one, which is a Bluetooth one. This is a Rocketfish Bluetooth. It's the same exact size, except for the keyboard runs on 2.4 gigahertz wireless. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this little emblem built into the board. I don't know where else. There it is. It's also right there. So apparently you can keep that. Here's a Bluetooth dongle. You can keep that in there and close this thing up and not have to worry about losing the adapter, which is quite amazing, really, because these things are tiny, and if you misplace them, they can easily be lost. And yeah, but it's a $20 keyboard. I really can't complain. I love it. And moving over to here, it's my wall of boxes. Here's some of the parts I've used in my computer. Got the ASRock 970 Extreme 3, got some blue LED fans, the Ripjaws CX600, Athlon 2 640 quad core, the crappy GeForce GT 430 that needs to be replaced, and here's the box that came with the keyboard came in. So has a very nice design on it, which I really like, and for 20 bucks you really can't go wrong if you need a basic wireless keyboard. I can't take it off, but it's on my wall. So that's pretty much everything. This is a review of the Logitech K360. Put that up there so you guys, in case you guys are interested. I got this from Best Buy, and I'd recommend going to Best Buy to get them, especially for $20. Thanks for watching, you guys.